See, I'm working as a storage administrator, okay, and I'm having around 10 plus years of experience. All I'm trying to is like at least L3 level. I want to have proper knowledge on common with labs.
Okay, correct. And Abdul?
This is the expectation.
Yeah, Abdul.
Yeah, I have around 10 plus of experience in application support as well as in backup. So I'm looking to do like L3 up to the master level of CommVault because I have already been in professional and engineer. So I'm looking forward to move on to master level.
Okay, got it. Yeah, Abdul, go ahead. Yes, Abdul, you can go ahead.
Hi guys, this is Abdul here, and I have 15 years of experience in IT, and working on CommVault has been 12 plus years. I've worked on CommVault. I've been an architect, subject matter expert, and tech lead for on everything. Regarding CommVault, I have experience. You say that I've done that in CommVault. Including the latest release of CommVault, which is called CommVault Cloud. Also, I've been working on that, being architect of deploying customers, implementations, and everything. So yeah, I think we have the curriculum that Ganesh has shared. So I am going through that. What are the topics? What we have is what we will try to cover in this training session. Right, Ganesh? That's what the expectations are to be set.
Yes.
Yeah. Each detailed topic as we move forward, and trying to get an L3, you would need a hands-on experience for that. I would say the expectations should be an L2 from the training, and L3 can be only achieved after you do an hands-on on a real-time environment. Lab environment cannot give you an exposure of that. I think you guys already working should know that. So yeah, according to the technology and how the theoretical part works, and including the labs, what you can expect would be to have a bit of knowledge on everything that you touch in CommVault. I would try to even give you a bit of exposure on how CommVault appliances also look, what CommVault appliances CommVault provides as part of the appliances. Probably I'll try to give you a session of what do you expect when you see a CommVault cloud also. What services does CommVault provide as part of CommVault cloud? Because I think going forward, what I am looking at it is CommVault cloud is going to be also next. I don't know, the working of CommVault and CommVault cloud is a bit similar. If you know CommVault cloud, you can relate it. Sorry, if you know CommVault, you can relate it to the CommVault cloud. Only thing being part is the infrastructure is managed by CommVault there. And going through the curriculum, I think you guys also have gone through that, right?
Yes, I have gone through that one. So as you said, like that, you are going to provide lab as well, right?
Yeah. Okay. Generally, what we do as part of the lab is you can create your Azure spaces with your accounts.
Okay.
And in there, we will help you install CommVault. And this, as you, I think you might be aware, Azure gives you 30 days of free trial.
Yeah.
With certain amount of dollars, I think. And with that, you can build a couple of VMs and try to play around that. We will install the CommVault. We'll help you install the CommVault. We'll, as we move forward on each day, we'll try to complete one parameter, and you can practice that in your lab on the same day. And I think this achievement of this would be 30 hours of the training. So I hope 30 hours of your lab should be there. And
Okay.
CommVault software, yes, I can provide you that, which comes with, I think, 3 months of free support, free trial, and documentations. We might have to create accounts for you to get the documentation access to CommVault. So
Okay.
yeah.
So is it based on the command center or the like Java console you would be using for lab?
Okay. CommVault uses completely a GUI.
Okay.
So we have a Java console, we have a web console as well.
Mhm.
Currently, in the current version of CommVault, what they're trying to push, the latest one, they're trying to move a lot of features to the web version rather than the Java. But however, Java is very much you know a recommended method of me,
Okay.
because I have worked on Java for like 12 years,
Okay.
and I mean I feel comfortable working on Java rather than, because it's real time
Yeah.
updating, and the web takes few seconds to update things. So yeah,
Yes.
we will go through both of that. We'll take you through how the Java, what to do with the Java console and what to do with the web console, and all that. Yes.
Okay.
I
So
think one parameter is not mentioned here. I will also go through something called reporting, which is very important as part of the CommVault, because the end customer would be looking at the reporting. That also I'll try to cover as part of this.
okay, I'm sorry, you are talking about the reports, right?
Yeah, reporting
Okay.
for CommVault, yes.
Okay.
It's there, yeah.
Yes, and this course would be and part of the implementation as well, like the complete implementation setup will come to know about it, right? End of the course. Uh, like
Yes.
from the scratch to end in terms of implementation.
Yeah, I mean, we will I will take you through, as I said, installations,
Yeah.
and implementation part would be different for different scenarios for different
Yes,
customers.
yes,
So
that's
that
right.
you will know the basic of what to do in what scenario, and the planning will depend upon when the scenario arises for you.
Oh,
So yes, implementation part of installation of setting up a CommVault, small CommVault environment with one client and one master server, and try to push in a media agent there or something. We'll try
okay,
to do that for you,
okay.
and we can go through that.
This include, I mean, this include the live sync as well, right?
Live sync, I mean, as I said, Azure has limitation.
Okay.
I mean, if we can do a DR, yeah, we can do a live sync. Live sync is, I mean, I can show you in my lab environment.
Okay.
Live sync is pretty much a simple thing. Live sync is
Yes.
just a feature that CommVault provides. But yeah,
Yeah.
failover is something is what you can do. But failovers can be observed only at real time environment.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
Yeah, I understand
In
that.
a lab, you cannot do a failover. Even you don't even see what is happening there.
Yeah, sure.
I'll tell you theoretically what will happen in a lab environment. To be honest, in 12 years of my experience, I've never done a real-time failover,
Yeah.
because it only has to happen in DR environment. When doing a CommVault failover or a backup failover is a very big task,
Yes, yes.
because whole of your environment has to be redesigned
Yeah.
after for rolling back. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
I'll take you through how theoretically a failover will work, and what things should we keep in mind, and what should we keep it updated to have the real-time failover when the situation arrives.
And also, I mean, would you be able to cover up the technical parts of the troubleshooting, like in case of DDB went offline, if the media agent is crash? I mean, I just would like to give some
Yes,
scenario and training.
definitely we can do that. We will we can go through. I'll not say 100% of troubleshooting,
Yeah,
but I
yeah,
don't want to set that expectation. I
yeah,
would say a major things what we can go through is what I'll take you through from the infrastructure point of
yeah,
view.
sure. Yeah,
And I also wanted to know what backup tool have you worked on, Abdul?
I have worked in CommVault, but in last some couple of months, I have been moved to different project like in application support and taking care of the management as well. So, sort of completing up to the master level, then I'll try for once again direct CommVault something else.
Okay, so you have had worked on CommVault before.
Not up to the master level. I mean, I have done till professional engineer level. I was not part of an implementation project, but I was in the operation side, end to end.
From the administrative side.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. And how about you, Ranath? Have you worked on backups before, or?
No, right. I'm more into storage actually. But I'm aware, like in my environment, we have CommVault and we have different kind of clusters. Like PG cluster is there, VMware cluster is there, OpenShift cluster is there. There is also aux copy going on. So I have fair bit of knowledge. So see if the intention of this kind of training is to understand well so that I can get into backup.
Okay. Fair enough.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
And also kind of we are having tapes in our environment, right? Like tape library.
Yeah.
I mean, will that be? Will you be able to help us to understand?
Yeah.
They do, I think, some labeling, all those things, right?
Labeling and all, everything is for an engineer who is there on site. Our
Yeah,
part would be to do a tape rotation to exit the tapes,
correct.
and the engineer there would be collecting the tapes. Yeah, that is a theoretical thing that we do. You need a tape library to show you what is happening, but I can tell you, and you can go and see in your environment how that looks. You have
Oh, okay.
different types of sets of tapes, clear tapes or fresh tapes, and then loaded
Mhm.
ones. So the tape rotation thing depends upon how you manage your tapes. I mean, to be honest, many of the organizations have exited tapes because it's a very hectic process, because
Yeah, they are going into cloud, right? Yes.
they want to keep it a
Okay.
copy on the cloud rather than keeping on tapes. Hectic thing. I will take you theoretically what tape rotation looks like, and if you can give me what library you're using, we will try to cover that so that you have a better understanding when you go and look at it, right? Because there are different tape libraries. There are HP tape libraries, there are Spectra tape libraries, a lot of tape libraries we have. So everything functions differently. So yeah, we'll try to cover that as well. Sure, we can do a session on that. Yeah. Any more questions, guys?
Just I'm sorry. Actually, what happened is in between my laptop did not work. Just on lab, like what kind of lab? Do we need to set up on our personal laptop or how it will be?
Yeah. I think I just covered that. Let me repeat that. So we try to do an Azure. I think you already know Azure provides 30 days free trial, so you can create a new email address for yourself. With that, we can subscribe to an Azure, and there have that lab for yourself only. So we will try to build a couple of VMs in that, and I'll provide you the software. On that VM itself, you can try to download that software and we'll try to, as part of the lab, we'll try to install that software and try to take you through the installation process of the CommCell master server itself, plus media agent, and try to do one client something so that you can do a practical hands-on of how things work. Coming to the documentation part, CommVault doesn't give you documentation for a public view. So you have to create an account to get the access to the documentation. So we'll try to cover that as well for you.
Okay. And like if I want to start this certification, what will be kind of first certification I'll be
Professional
doing?
would
So
be first. Professional would be the first. I think
okay.
if I'm not
Got it.
wrong, CommVault charges about 7,000 something for certification. So
Okay. Okay.
and just to make things straight, CommVault doesn't
Mhm.
ask in certification a straight question. Okay, they never
Okay.
have never seen any questions being asked from CommVault. This is what it is. What is this called? No, they give a
Mhm.
lot of riddled scenario based questions. Okay, this is your
Okay.
scenario, this is what it is, and what will you do, kind of thing. So yeah,
Mhm.
certification will need a little bit of hands-on for you to get into a certification, get the certification done.
Okay. So this lab software is not that. I mean, for certification, I can't prepare based on this lab, right? So.
No, I mean definitely. I mean, you can read the certification questions and get the certification. If you want to get only certification, that's a different thing. Lab
Mhm.
is to understand your technology, right? How the technology works for you. What features do you
Got
have
it.
in CommVault? How do you use the features?
Okay.
What more can you expect from rather than what you already know from this CommVault? There are
Okay.
a few things
Okay.
you already know. CommVault, what it does backup, but CommVault can do a lot more things than just backups, right? You can use it as a migration
Okay.
tool for yourself. You can do a VM live sync kind of thing where you can do a real-time sync of a VM from one place to another place. And a lot of other features also are there. So I'll try to cover you that with the basic functionality of what happens behind the screens kind of thing. Yeah. So for
Okay.
doing certification, you might have to do a hands-on on it on a real-time environment to understand the
Mhm.
scenarios, because I cannot generate the scenarios here. Those scenarios, I mean, I can cover a few, but not all of them. So scenarios
I
you have
got
to,
it.
and then you will understand things. If you do like 6 months or a year hands-on on it, you will understand the depth of the technology. Is what I wanted to say.
Okay. Fine. Got it.
Yeah. Any more doubts or questions that you guys have? Any
No,
That's
but
it from
specific?
my end.
Sir, can you guys somebody I mean send me the uh, course content, right? What will be covered that I don't have
Ganesh,
as
I
part of
think,
this training.
Ganesh, have you already sent that?
I have shared already, yeah, let me share once again.
Yeah.
So Abdul and Ranganath, you can go through the curriculum once again, and you can list down the topics. So apart from the course curriculum, if you need to cover anything else, yeah, you can make a note and you can send it to me. So I'll share this up there, and we can plan accordingly. Also, one more question from my end. Instead of
Mhm.
creating Azure account, can we do like AWS account?
Uh,
Because
I think
Azure,
we can do anything, but I am very familiar with Azure, not with AWS. That's why I was saying Azure.
okay, yeah.
So
What I was thinking is, I don't know, I'm not a technical guy, but I was thinking like Azure gives only 30 days of no this free trial.
mhm,
Then
mhm.
AWS, no, it's not like that. Like even if you use very hardly, yeah, it will be go for minimum 6 months. They'll give
Okay.
some credits.
No, we are not looking into AWS configurations. We are looking for only the VMs inside. So it doesn't matter for us where you have those VMs.
Okay,
But
then
yeah, I mean, if they want, they can create another account for themselves and try to start from there from on Azure itself. Or else, yeah, if I am not very familiar with AWS, so that's what I wanted to say. But yeah, we can try doing AWS also. Not a problem.
anyways, we'll be using VMs, right? In AWS
Yeah,
because
our main core would be inside VM
yeah,
and
VM.
nothing to do with the outside
Yeah.
part.
Yeah, let's start with like Azure only for now. Like, let's see if required, then we can go for AWS.
Yeah. Sure. No problem.
So, any more questions?
That's it from my end, Ganesh.
Okay, then if you don't have questions, then we can wrap up for now.
Yeah,
And
sure.
yeah, so when it comes to timings, so Abdul, like you're fine the same time or?
I'll update you. I mean, I'll get in touch with in another 30 to 1 hour. I mean, after 1 hour. Once I finish my call, I'll call you. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you then. Ranganath, do you have any questions for me? Ranganath, are you there?
He said that he has some issue on laptop. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay, then if you don't have questions, then let's wrap up for now. And yeah, I'll speak to like Abdul and Ranganath.
Sure, definitely. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for hearing. Thank you, Ranganath. And thanks for joining.